In today's lecture, we are going to learn about that what is democracy. So if you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. Without any further ado, let's begin. The word democracy is derived from two Greek words, demos and kratos. Demos mean people and kratos mean the rule. So democracy means the rule of the people, government in which everyone has a share. In Abraham Lincoln words, democracy is the government of people, by the people, and for the people. In democracy, people had the power to choose their leaders. There are several kinds of democracy. First one is direct democracy. It is a pure form of democracy. A direct democracy is a system of government in which citizens vote directly on law and policies rather than electing representatives to make decisions on their behalf. Number two, representative democracy. A representative democracy is a system of government in which the citizens elect representatives to make decisions on their behalf. Number three, parliamentary democracy. A parliamentary democracy is a system of government in which the executive branch is chosen by the legislature and it is accountable to it. Number four, presidential democracy. A presidential democracy is a system of government in which the executive branch is chosen by the people and it is accountable to them. Number five, constitutional democracy. It is a system of government in which the powers of the government are limited by the written constitution. And the last one is the federal democracy. A federal democracy is a system of government in which the power is divided between the central government and the several regional government or the unit governments. So let me know in the comment section that what kind of democracy do you have in your country. Now let's move toward the merits of the democracy. Number one, equality. Democracy ensures that all citizens are equal before the law and have equal access to the resources and opportunities. Number two, freedom of expression. Democracy allows citizens to express their opinions and views freely without any fear. Number three, participation. Democracy encourages citizens to participate in the decision making process either directly or through elected representatives. Number four, accountability. Democracy holds elected officials accountable for their actions and decisions. Number five, rule of law. Democracy ensures that the rule of law is respected and all the citizens are subject to the same law. Number six, protection of human rights. Democracy protects the human right of all citizens, including the right to live, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. Number seven, stability. Democracy provides a stable form of government that is less likely to be overthrown by the coup or other form of violence. And the last one is economic growth. Democracy encourages economic growth by providing a stable environment for businesses to operate and by protecting the rights of workers. Now let's move toward the demerits of democracy. Number one, costly. Holding regular elections and providing representation at all levels of government can be expensive. Number two, unstable government. Democracies often experience rapid changes in leadership as governments change hand with each election. This can lead to instability as policies and directions change every few years. Number three, majority rule. Democracies are based on majority rule. This can mean that majority opinion is imposed on the minority, which may not always be fair or just. Number four, slower decision making. Democracies often require consensus building and lengthy debates before decision can be made. This can be inefficient and slow down the decision making process. The last one is potential for corruption. Democracies can be vulnerable to the corruption and special interest, as those in power may be tempted to use their influence to their own advantage. It was all about the democracy. Thanks for watching the CSS Fair. See you in the next video. Keep moving forward. Allah Hafiz.